Hey Bling Beauties, I know the girlies love the junk cases, but let's get into this Bling case. These are the real showstopper and I'm here to show you how to create your own. Class in session. So let's get into what you need. Everything in this video, I will give you the full details in the description below. You will need charms, planners, and any other fun stuff that you would like to add to your case. Here I have some gems, rhinestones. They are both resin and glass, and they also come in different sizes. Now here we have one of my best friends, E6000. I've been using E6000 glue for the past 10 years, and now this glue is strong, but it gets the job done. I know there are many other glues out there. When it comes to the Bling cases, glue is by far my favorite. And of course, you're going to have your phone case. You can get clear cases from AliExpress, Amazon. I even heard Temu has some. You will need a rhinestone picker, or you can use a wax pencil. This is my other bestie. This drill I use on my phone cases, my Crocs, has different power modes, and even have a flashlight, just in case you want to make a case in the dark. So now you know the details on what you need. Now let's get into making your own phone case. But first, let's get some charms and planners. This is my favorite part, just looking at the different charms I have, the bling, and just figuring out what I want to create. Can't forget the pearls. Now, when you first start a case, what I do is I use the drill. I drill all the sides because you want it to rough up the edges. By roughing up the edges, it allows the rhinestones and the charms to stick. And you clean off the case by using rubbing alcohol. By adding this step, it will ensure that your phone cases will last long. Now let's get into the fun part. Get out your glue, figure out what charms or pieces you want to add on your case, and let's start designing.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
I made a boo-boo. So because I am left-handed, what I should have did was put the camera on the other side of me. But basically, I started by blinging out the edges. That's my to-do before I do anything else. Some people add their charms on, but I just feel like this makes the whole foundation. Getting the edges together first just ensures everything come together. And this may be the reason why I don't have too many spaces in my cases. But I bling out all around the edges on both sides. And this part is the easy part, but it takes a pretty long time. I know there are some ladies out there that don't do the edges of their phone case. They only do like the back side. I'm not sure it's because of time or if it's because that's where the rhinestones may or may not fall off. I always say where you hold your phone at, because our hands are sweaty, the dirt, if you drop your phone, where you may find some loose rhinestones or some may pop off here and there. But if you use this glue, you ain't gonna have nothing pop off nowhere. I have some ladies that have their phone cases for years and not one rhinestone fall off. I have some ladies that drop their phone and not none fall off either. And then I have some ladies that drop their phone cases or lose a bling or two, but definitely nothing major. I ensure when you come over here, your phone cases and accessories is going to last you for years because I take my time, I take so much energy, I take so much love to create these masterpieces. And as you notice in the video, I started adding some of the planners on the phone case where I wanted it to go. And every phone case is different. It depends on what I am creating, what the theme is, what I have, what charms I have, what I'm adding onto it. But for this video, I wanted to make it really simple and adding just the planners. And from there, I just bling, bling, bling. I like to have many different sizes because there will be some spaces. And I don't like having a whole lot of holes. I like the full case blinged out as much as possible because when the final look come together, it's just so beautiful. And here are the final touches. I'm playing around with the gems and the quotes, seeing what works best. From the beginning until now, I did a whole different look. And I absolutely love it. Please subscribe and continue on this journey with me as we continue to grow.